So this is my second challenge that I have completed, and the total combined weight from both challenges, and the in-between time too, is 56 pounds and 11 inches off my waist. So for this challenge that we're currently in, or ending, I lost 19 pounds and 5 inches off my waist. So, but I have accomplished so much more than just weight loss though. I really accomplished a lot with my mindset. I feel I'm proud of my weight loss for sure, but I'm very proud of my mindset as well. This particular challenge came at a time of the year for me that's very busy, very stressful with work and kids and everything, and the weight was coming off slowly, not as fast as it did in the first challenge, and it really messed with my mind. And so I could have just given up. I could have just said, you know what, screw it, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go get that comfort food that I'm so used to, but I didn't. I stuck with it, and I told myself, even though it's not coming off as fast as I would like for it to, I'm committed, I'm dedicated to this, and I'm gonna keep doing it and keep going. And I'm so glad that I did. I think the biggest struggle that I overcame in this challenge was my mindset. Again, it was just when I wasn't happy with the results I was getting, sticking with it and continue, maybe having to tweak a few things, really having to be self-reflective and think, okay, what can I do to change? Yes, I'm putting forth as much as I can into boot camp classes. Do I need to increase my weight? Do I need to add cardio? Yeah, it's 8 o'clock at night and I've been up since 4. I really don't want to go run on that treadmill, but you know what? If I want the results, I'm going to have to do it. And so just really talking to myself through those things and just changing my mindset was something that I feel like I accomplished. Other than the size of clothes that I wear, I guess the most significant change I've seen in myself is my self-confidence. I've always been shy and introverted, and the fact that I'm even on this video is kind of an accomplishment in itself because I'm not very out there type of person, and I didn't really like myself. I didn't like who I was. I didn't like how I felt about myself. I didn't feel like that, I was worthy of people liking me or anything, just because I didn't like myself. And I think that that's the biggest thing that has changed for me, is that I'm proud of myself and I like myself. And if nobody else does, oh well, but I do. They are so motivate. Talk about dedication. They are dedicated. Yes, they have a lot of heart. They are so motivating. They're there for you to encourage you. They're positive. They lift you up, and they push you when you need to be pushed. I mean, sometimes there's a little tough love, but that's okay because we need that. When I don't feel like wanting to squat lower and Dylan says, squat lower, I'm like, okay, fine, but I do it. I might roll my eyes at him, but I do it, and I know it's for my own good, but the Facebook page is so supportive. The members of Outlaw, the other members, I think I wrote on something, I wrote that it's like a second family. It's almost like a home away from home now, and it's just a second family when everyone is so positive and encouraging and just pushes you through. When you feel like giving up, somebody that you don't even know next to you just says, come on, you can do it, you've got this. And it's just an awesome place to be. Just an awesome place to be. What I think about the meal plan is I like the fact that it's realistic. It's not something that you see so many things on the internet and commercials and so many fads, but the meal plan is not like that. It's something realistic, something that you can do long term. It's something that helps to guide you and teaches you about what to eat, when to eat it. And that's what I really like, and what I really want to continue learning about is more about nutrition and how it affects my body versus somebody else's, and just knowing myself more and knowing more about food and how the two interact. Absolutely. I love the fact that I never felt like I was starving. I never felt like I was starving. I'm feeding myself. In fact, somebody at work had asked me, are you eating? And I said, yeah, every 2 to 3 hours, you bet I'm eating, and you have to. And that's something that I learned, was that you have to feed your body the proper food, the proper nutrition, in order for it to work properly and to burn the calories and to build muscle and to lose weight. Just do it. Don't think about it. Just jump in and just do it. Just try it. You can do it. Even if you are only going to lift a 5-pound weight, even if you're going to do a push-up on your knees. I started with push-ups on my knees, you know. You just do it. You can. You can. You're telling yourself that you can't, and that's your mind, but you can. Just do it. The people are amazing. They're there to help you. They're there to support you. I'll be there to help you and support you. What time do you want to go? I'll be there. I'll be there with you, and I'll do it with you. So I would tell them to absolutely, without a doubt, without any hesitation, to join and to do a class and to become a member.